Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your OBS studio on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to set up your OBS studio for recording or for your streaming, first you'll be required to open the OBS studio, as I have already opened it, and after that you'll be shown the same kind of interface where you'll see the scenes and resources, the audio mixer, the scene transitions, the controls over here. And now to start to set up your OBS studio, first go to the scene platform over here, right click on the empty box wherever the space is available and click on add, and after that you'll be adding a scene over here. Let's cancel this because I have already a scene or recording on your OBS studio. And after that, after adding a scene, you'll be required to choose a media source over here from where you will be recording your video or entering your media source. To do that, right click on the interface on the sources, as I am right clicking over here, and after that you can see the add button appear. When we hover over it, there are a lot of media sources from which we can import our media, like game capture, display capture, source and source color source, audio capture output and audio input capture, video capture device on the below, window capture, VLC player, text, scenes and many things over here. And after choosing your source, media source, for me it's the display capture because we are capturing the display right now, and you can choose another like window capture and click on OK, and you can see this up here, but we'll stay recording. But on the window capture, maybe the video is off right now, you will be able to optimize it from over here. And on the window capture you can see the window, which window you want to record, and the capture method over here, and after that the window match priority over here. Let's click on cancel. After optimizing or entering your media source, you can mix your audios from over here, how much of the audio you want or you don't want from over here. And after that, after going to your audio mixer, your sources, let's delete the window capture because we are currently recording the display. And after choosing your preferences on the sources and your audio mixer, you can see the settings option available over here on the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on settings, and over here you can see the output option available over here just below the stream. If you want to stream, you can put your service, your server, your stream key over here to stream. And let's go to the output, and under the output, if you are shown the simple tab, you can see the output mode over here. Currently mine is advanced. If you're shown the simple tab, click over there and the advanced will be available to you. Because we are recording the video, the advanced mode or the simple tab will not be able to choose the simple tab over here. And you can see the streaming, the recording and the audio and the replay buffer tab over here. But currently we are going to record a video. Now to record a video, you can see the type standard over here. I'll not be able to change it because I'm recording currently. And if you click over here, the FFmpeg codec will be available to you, and the settings of FFmpeg codec will be displayed over here. But currently we are on the standard with the recording format of MP4. You can choose a recording format like MP4 FLB like over here, and after that your encoder over here. Currently mine is X24, and if you have a graphics card installed on your computer, your graphics card will be available over here when you scroll down by clicking over here. And this is your rescale output, which means the dimensions of your video on which you will be recording the video or your video will be in. Choose your rescale output like 1378, like this one is 1920 into 1080. There the options will like 1280 into 720 will be available over here. And after that, below is your encoder settings. My encoder settings is optimized for those computers which are low end and want to record an awesome video. You can choose your encoder settings from over here, rate control like these. If you are a beginner, just go with the CBR. If you are a professional, you can choose any of these and choose a bitrate of 6000 kbps, since YouTube and Twitch like servers or streaming platforms or the video platforms require a bitrate of 4000 to 5000 bitrate. If you put it on 6000, normally it will be balanced from the OBS studio itself. And after choosing your CPU preset, your profile, your tune, and click on apply over here. It's not available right now. Let's go. Click on available and click on OK like this, and your settings of your recording video will be optimized on your way. And after that, and if you want to record a video, click on record video after choosing your mixer, your display capture, and the video will be available to you on over here where is the recording path. You can see currently it's on the videos of my computer. Let's close this. And guys, this is how you set up your OBS studio. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.